So guys, today is my deep cleaning routine. So I've already deep cleaned it. So I didn't even realize that what I was recording since was not recording. So this is so annoying. I've already dust everywhere. I've already cleaned it. So just for me to like put the pillowcase, then I'm good to go. Then I'm going to like mop the floor and also clean the floors. And also the windows are dirty because it rained 3 days ago. So and the rain just splash on the window. So you can see I'm just going to like clean it also. And also the thermosiphon. I don't know what that is called thermosiphone in English, but I'm going to clean that also. That is all I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to also like, you know, dusting my makeup vanity. Then, yeah. So, and the lights, I also dusted down. So I was just doing everything, not knowing that this thing was not actually filming. This is so annoying. So guys, I just want to say a quick something. So like I said earlier, I this is a deep cleaning of my bedroom today. So because normally every like once in a week I like to just like deep clean everywhere. So before I've already dust down the furnitures and also like clean the lights, all those kind of stuff, and the wardrobe. So but because the registration was not recording, that is why you guys didn't see it when I was like deep cleaning it. So that is why now I just took this piece of rag to like wipe the surfaces so that it will look a little bit interesting. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. The next thing is that if you are on a tight budget, you can actually make your room or your apartment look cozy. So because now we are in quarantine, there is nothing to like decorate. That is why I decided to use what I have to like make use of this like decors and also cleaning. So maybe once this quarantine is over, I'm going to like get some kind of thing that I will also use to like make my bedroom, most especially my bedroom, to look cozy. But as for this moment, I'm going to like do it the way it is. So yeah. guys, now I'm going to like dust up my makeup vanity. So the only problem is this light. So this light that is reflecting, I need to close the window, but it will be dark if I close the window. But I have to close the window so that you guys can be able to see me better. So now it's dark, but it's better than before. So what I'm going to do is just to remove all the stuff that is on it. I need to put on the light, if not it will be so dark. So I need to put on the light now. The light is turned on, so let's get started. So I'm going to dust here like this. You know, this is going to be like a romantic cleaning, not hurry cleaning. So I'm going to like dust. I hope you guys can see me. I'm going to dust up the vanity. It's been so long since I did a deep cleaning, so I'm going to take this out because it's so dusty. So I'm going to like dedicate a video to clean up this makeup vanity. So maybe that should be coming soon. So I'm going to clean my vanity, my makeup vanity with me. So if not, this video is going to be so long. I'm going to remove this. So the day I'm going to film a clean my vanity with me, so I'm going to be cleaning inside of the container, inside of the storage, you know what I mean. So now just give it a quick wipe up so that it will look well present. So I'm going to do the rest cleaning off camera, then I'm going to see you guys later. Okay guys, this is the finished look of this cleaner routine. So this is how the bedroom looks like. So you don't need like expensive thing in order to make your home look cozy. So these things I have it already in my home, so that is why I just like decided to like use it to decorate it the way it is. So this time around that we are in quarantine, so you don't need to go out and get things. So just check your home. If you have what you have long time ago, you can also use it whether in every day or anytime. So this, I used to use it all the time, but the way I just arrange and clean everywhere make it look so cozy and beautiful again. So I'm going to be like measuring where I got things from. Like this white cover blanket, I got it in a Chinese shop. It was 12 euro. So it is very cheap. That is why I just got it. And the fabric looks so soft and beautiful. So that flower or rose pillowcase, I got it as a gift from someone so special. So, and it also looks so beautiful. So let me move closer. You can see the details. Very beautiful. Also, this white pillow over here, I got it from IKEA, which is also beautiful and soft. So this other one also is from IKEA. I have it long time ago, but I'm still using it. So, and also this one is from Italian shop. Also this pillow cover, I also got it a long time ago. So, and also this one is from Italian shop, and I also got it long time ago. So this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. Then we'll just turn around. That's my computer over here. So, and also this vanity is so organized and so tidy. So you guys should just power down the yellow light because it's already dark outside and I don't want to use the natural light. So I just say that this one is better. So this is the room transformation and a deep cleaning. So, and also this light is from I've forgotten the name, but once I remember I'll put it in the description down below. So yeah, this is everything. And also the stuff over here is also a gift, and I use it to store extra stuff. So guys, this is all about this video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm going to be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye bye.